WeChat verification failed. How to fix all common verification issues. Having trouble verifying your WeChat account? You're not alone. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the most common verification issues and how to fix them step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Switch to mobile data if Wi-Fi is unstable. A strong signal is key to receiving verification codes. Step 2. Update WeChat to the latest version. Go to your app store and hit Update to avoid bugs that block verification. Step 3. Clear WeChat's cache. Go to your phone settings, find WeChat, and tap Clear Cache to refresh the app. Step 4. Enable all permissions. WeChat needs access to SMS, contacts, and phone to verify your account properly. Step 5. Retry SMS verification. Enter your number carefully and wait at least 60 seconds before requesting a new code. Still stuck? Here are the last steps. Try logging in with linked accounts like Facebook or QQ. Use a trusted device if possible. If your account is frozen, visit the WeChat Help Center to unfreeze it. And if nothing works, contact WeChat support directly. Verification issues can be frustrating, but with these steps, you'll be back on WeChat in no time. Stay patient, follow the guide, and reach out for help if needed.